This tutorial shows you how to invite and add a new member to any WhatsApp group on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, go to the group chat you want to add someone to. From there, tap on the group name at the top of the chat to open the group info page. At this point, scroll down and you'll see a full list of all the current members in the group. In the next step, scroll down past the members list and tap on Add Members. Following this, your contacts list will open showing all your WhatsApp contacts. Once done, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the person you want to add. From here, tap on their name to select them. You can select multiple contacts at once if you want to add more than one person. At this stage, once you've selected everyone you want to add, tap the green check mark or Add button to confirm. After this, the selected contacts will be added to the group instantly and a notification will appear in the chat letting all members know who just joined. Finally, the newly added members will now be able to see the group chat and participate in the conversation right away. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you add someone to your group, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.